I really be pushing it when it comes to this whole getting ready thing. I have to take these braids out. I'm going to do my makeup first. Elf poreless primer. While that's sitting, I'm gonna go ahead and fix my brows a little bit. There we go. All right, so let's get the brows popping. My brows are thick. I'm actually not gonna use the pencil. I'm just going to go in and comb them out first. I'm gonna wear my glasses, so I'm gonna put my 2 mascaras in my pocket so they can be worn by the time I need them at the end of everything. It's funny that people say I talk very quiet. I have a very natural, quiet talking voice. There's no point to yell at y'all. Y'all ain't do nothing. That's better. I'm gonna mix my foundation before I do anything else. So I'm going to take the lighter shade. So I'm mixing 2 shades from NARS. It's medium deep and the other is deep. It's like a 3-to-1 ratio. Y'all can. And then I just have it on a palette. The pressure is getting worse. I don't want that. I don't like that song. Yeah. I'm just spreading it around. I'm not necessarily blending it in, just spreading it around first so it's everywhere to be a little bit more tacky. And I'm also taking some of the excess off with this brush to help carve out the brow. Y'all see the brows? No makeup in them. I'm gonna add a little bit, not a lot, but while this gets tacky. Trust the process. Get yourself a difference. Alright, it does look fine. Twist that like that. I just color correct it underneath really a tad. Alright. Good to go with that. And this is a blender brush. We're gonna pat it around our face like a beauty blender. It buffs the foundation. Like you can use this to apply. It is 12:43. I have 15 minutes. We're gonna drag it down just like this. Dots, dots, around here, dots. That light bulb's about to die. It's a smart light bulb. And take it. This is the brow that cooperates the most, so I'll start with it. This is the one that needs more product to help mold it, which is fine. Now you've officially been chopped. I'm in a rush. I got 10 minutes. It's easier because I can feel my cheekbone just right in there. Same thing on the opposite side, same finger. You feel my middle finger is heavier. Just a little bit. Like you can tell, but it's not overpowering, which is what I go for. Yo, it's not fly season. This fluffy brush to fluff it out. Five-minute mascara. I gotta change my watch band to pull the product through. Grab these little ones under here. Literally 5 minutes left still. Neutral lip. Do that. I have Vaseline on so it transfers up top. You can tell it's old. That's how you do ombre lip. Unlined it. It's not bad. But I take the water gloss. It lasts a while though. I gotta leave here in 10 minutes. Here we go. The oil I made myself for my hair. There we go. right.